Welcome to Limon House. A supposedly simple renovation to a 1.5-story mid-terrace house for a mother and daughter developed into an extensive one complete with intricate details inspired by the client's openness to ideas. Upon entry, the red monster door is a dominant feature of the frontage and pays homage to large Chinese temple doors. The ground floor main living areas have a linear open concept from the front to the rear of the house. Parts of the architecture are made minimal to highlight the owner's extensive collection of Chinese antiques. An emphasis on security without sacrificing aesthetics is evident in the details. First, is the sculptural 3D grille window to divert from the notion of common metal security grilles commonly found. Secondly, the layered concrete columns, tiong, is created for strict privacy but also allowing ventilation and ambient light into the space. The central courtyard was introduced to interconnect the spaces and to provide light. The living room was lifted to have a visual expansion with the first floor. Above the living room, one can enjoy the view of the surrounding forests and hills in a secret rooftop garden.